What is it? Would you like this exciting empty water bottle? Yeah. Yeah. You're like, I have a room full of toys, but none of these things are what I want, Mom. I think you're doing it wrong. Yeah, the Roomba's over there. That's very, very true. Where's your bus? Where's your bus? There's the bus. Can you go get the bus? Good job, sweetie. Oh, here's something outside. Bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye to the camera? Bye-bye.